Okurijira habejo mu ishomero ya Bishop Combon College ebintu betorire babihinduremo by'omugasho obwe barukujumbura okubiri kukozesebwa kubecho kureberaho emite byirwe mwene bihamwe bijuma byo kurya n'emibazi kandi endijo ereta hempeho nungi yo kwisya hamwe n'ekicucu.
We are starting with using bottles. We are doing different projects with the bottles, maybe using them for irrigation, using the bottles to construct different things like dustbins, starting up different projects using the bottles.
Aba batugambire bimwe habi barukora hamwe n'obukugo bihiremu okutungura omutindo gw'ebyobwegese omu ishomero lyabo.
These trees carry out photosynthesis, and photosynthesis they absorb the carbon dioxide. After absorbing the carbon dioxide, they manufacture their food, and in the process, the product is oxygen, and that oxygen is the oxygen we use for breathing as we people.
I like this competence-based curriculum. It requires us to be more hands-on. That's why our students are developing academically through using these things around us, researching about environment.
Abeji nibajanga okushoma kwabo kugenzireje ahabwo kubyara emiti eri kubahwera kwihamwe emibazi ebyokurya no kutaho embera nungi yo kushoma.
We have the trees here. First, they give us some herbal medicine. Like when we have cough, for example, the tree we are on right now, we are under. When you have cough, you take some of the leaves in hot water, then the cough, in the meantime, disappears.
Aba hona nibarundana obucupa n'obuvera babikoramo ebintu byingi obariremo kubombekesa no kushukyerera emisiri. Justin Nyuzukire arukura ebyobuhangwa mu ishomereri nagira ngu okutungura ebyobuhangwa kihwerera abeegi okubagasira no mu maka gabo kandi ngo bongireho amagezi ago barukwejunusa korajo mu kirasi.
Tuye nayo kugira ngo environment yitegumere clean kandi green, twena ngo turekeho emiti tutagitema, tubyare bijuma kugira ngo bahika no mu maka gabo barebe ko kubikora ishomero bahika no mu maka gabo babyare.
Aba manu bagatira mu kuhinga emiti ya kare jete traditional trees kandi bayegesa n'emyanya bari hihi okuhinga emiteji. Gashakwa Hweza Wilfred.